1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, it's JPM Adventures. I'm Jason. This is my dad.
Hey guys, how are you? Well, I hope you guys are doing okay. Guess what we got today, Jace?
We got a special package.
We got a special package. We do. We have a special package from a good friend of mine. His name is Char. And Char, he customizes shoes and shirts and all that other stuff. But he sent this package to us. And he sent it to Jace. And so we're going to open it, right?
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what's inside. Do we have this little screwdriver?
You start again? So soft.
Okay. Whew.
That's pretty hard tape.
It is hard tape. We can get this open.
But how are you strong? Are you even strong?
Of course I'm strong.
With scissors.
Scissors. Watch out.
That's so easier to do with scissors.
It is. Alright. Ooh, who got us some shoes?
This is mine.
That's yours? Look at that. Nike. You got some Nikes too. Air Force Ones. Whoa.
Whoa.
Should we open it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Turn it this way so the camera can see. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Dude! Wow!
This one has Charmander on this one.
Charmander?
Yeah.
Dude, look at that!
Charizard!
Wow, and you got Charizard?
Yeah.
Look at that!
Dang.
Wow, I got some home designs on mine. Look at that. That is dope.
And you don't have this one.
Dude, look at that. That is so awesome. Wow, thank you so much, Char, for sending these out.
And Charizard's wings come out.
He's got Charizard's wings, his tail's on fire, you got Charmander here. Look at that. This is awesome. Thank you so much.
And the Charmander's tail and the fire coming out of his tail.
What do you think?
It looks awesome.
Looks awesome? You like them?
Yeah.
We should try it.
Look at this. It has Nike.
It's got Nike on the bottom. But look at that. That's so cool. Man.
I also have some spots.
Do you have some spots right there? That's cool. I like mine. So my favorite colors are orange and blue. And so what he did was he put some home designs on them. Dope. Dope. Thank you so much, Char.
I love them. Thank you so much, Char.
Alright guys, and there's a link to his website, to his Facebook, Char's Custom. Link will be down below in the descriptions. But make sure you check him out. He does a great job. And he just started, so he's, you know, give him all the support that he could get. But look at these. Like, why not? You know, you get your own custom shoes. So definitely check him out. Thanks for watching JPM Adventures. We've been slacking on our videos, but we will continue to make some more for you guys. What else? Anything else you want to say?
Yeah, please subscribe and like my videos.
Yeah, definitely. So hit the subscribe, hit the like. Right? Cool. All right. Once again, thank you, Char. These are awesome.
I love my Charizard Air Force One.
Yay!
Yay.
Custom shoes for us.
Custom shoes for us. I'm so happy. Alright guys, bye.
Bye.